The play opens up July 2nd, 1961 in Hemingway's studio in Ketchum, Idaho. So we're going to use a little imagination here. This is his desk. Like this, actually. This is imagine a reel-to-reel tape recorder on his desk, connected to a microphone. His pill bottle's right here. Over here is his bar. You see me do this, I'll be turning on and off the microphone. Over here is like a large window. The three walls of the theater are basically one large screen. So kind of an IMAX-like. Anna is going to be reading the part of Mary Welsh, his wife, at the time, and also parts of the narration. So the play opens up with him waking up 7 a.m., rolling off his studio couch. So, Kurt. Coffee.
Picks up pills.
This is what things have come to. Hey, Mary, are you up yet?
Yes, I'm in the kitchen.
What the hell does Coumadin do again?
Blood clots.
Blood clots, Jesus. Niacin, Librium, Serpacel, Ritalin. Mary, what do all these do? Never mind.
Just take them.
Here's one I don't even know how to pronounce. It's going in the trash.
No, it isn't. Here's a rustling noise and a trash can lid fall.
Mary! Did you hear that?
No. What?
I don't know. I thought I heard something. Probably the damn raccoons again.
You're getting distracted. Are you finished with that interview with Time Magazine? You know how important this is?
Mary, I know it's important. How many times do you have to tell me that? But I have to do it my way, so everyone knows I can still tell a damn story. Many think I'm not even compos mentis. Now, look, if I can write my own story, then I can tell my own story, then I can write one. And if I can still write, I can still live. You know that, Mary.
Yes. Good. Then get to it.
Got my hands on the questionnaire right here.
Turns on recorder.
Who is this? Hank Levinson, junior writer, Time Magazine, journalism major, Columbia University. Ooh, Columbia. So Time sends me a junior writer, huh? So that's what they think of me. Well, don't fuck this up, Hank. Hank, if it's not obvious to you already, this is Ernest Hemingway, and I'm doing this interview under duress. I'm taping my answers to your questions because you guys always misquote me. All right, you make me come off like some sort of bully or misanthrope. Journalist to journalist, I know all the tricks. Okay, so say it the way write it the way I say it, not the way you want to write it. And if you screw it up, I got the tape to prove it. My friend Paul, down at the stereo store, will copy it. I know all you people think I'm dying soon. You all want to shovel your dirt on me. Yeah, I tell you, it's not going to happen. Not at this juncture. All right, let's get this over with, Hank. Question 1. What is it about bullfighting that fascinates you? What do you tell people who think it's just a torturing of a dumb animal?
Shuts off recording.
Bullfighting. Did I do that? Bullfighting in Spain.
He walks to the trunk. The trumpets of bullfighting music swell as lights shift to a different time. Hemingway in his 20s. On screen, the bulls burst out of the gates and roar in the crowd.
Here they come, todos! Córrense, venga! Over here! Over here! Ándale! Ha! You thought you had me? You thought you had me, you damn big, beautiful creatures!
The lights shift back to studio. Ernest? Ernest, are you all right? What's all this commotion?
I don't know, kid. I thought I was in Spain, running with the bulls, but I don't know why.
Oh, wait a minute, now I do. Thanks to Hank, my brand new best friend from junior writer from Time magazine.
Turns on recorder.
All right, Hank. How I love to run with the bulls through the streets of Pamplona.
It marked the start of the greatest bullfighting festival in all of Spain. Hank, you gotta understand that bullfighting is not a sport in the Anglo-Saxon sense of the word. That is, it's not an equal contest or an attempt at an equal contest between a man and a bull. Rather, it's a tragedy.
Did you take all your pills? Turns off recorder.
Yes, and what are they doing for me?
They're keeping you alive.
Oh, Mary, you know the one thing that's going to keep me alive.
Then finish the interview.
I can't, Mary, I can't because I can't think anymore. This interview is going to be the death of me.
Don't say that.
You'd certainly like that, wouldn't you? FBI would love that.
Stop.
J. Edgar Hoover.
Oh, stop it with that.
Yes, Mother.
Turns on recorder.
Now, kitten, shush. I see from your question here, number 2, you're asking me about my health. Little advice to you, Hank. Never grow old. I'm back in Ketchum, Idaho after being released from the Mayo Clinic just 2 days ago, where they treated me for various ailments. I will never go back there ever again, Mary.
What?
Never mind what they put me through, Hank. What they put me through.
What those doctors put me through. Well, they did put me on a very strict diet, Hank. Little good it's done me. I've lost 30 pounds of my man weight and I've shrunk an inch. It's got me on 1 glass of wine per meal and only 3 ounces of whiskey per day. Now I ask you, Hank, who could survive off that? What the hell do those quacks know? I know my body's failing, but there's a good reason for it. It has nothing to do with my drinking, despite what you people think. Over the years, I've suffered 22 serious concussions. A ruptured spleen, liver, kidney, loss of vision in my left eye, loss of hearing in my left ear, crushed vertebrae, blown up leg, World War I, broken ribs 7 times, World War II, diabetes.
Turns off recording.
Reoccurring nightmares, panic attacks, audio and visual hallucinations, dementia, paranoia, what they call manic depression. The kitten tricked me into going to the Mayo Clinic. She said it was to treat my high blood pressure, cholesterol. She lied, of course. All she really wanted to do was to turn me over to the shrinks. after 2 weeks of 2 trips to the clinic and 7 months of shriek treatment. Their diagnosis. Their conclusion. Diagnosis unknown. And I'm not about to admit that to Time magazine. I can imagine what they do with that when I see the headline now. Hemingway's a wacko. Are you getting all this, J. Edgar Hoover? I know you're listening. I'm on to you. Mary, did you ever check the bugs in the car?
Oh dear Lord, it's just too early for that today. Oh.
Jack Brown. And Anna Kumar.